Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Binance US and enable account security detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Binance US and hit enter. Once the page loads, locate the login button typically found at the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login screen. Enter your registered email address in the provided field. Next, input your password in the corresponding password field. If you wish to stay logged in on this device, check the Remember Me box. Once you've filled in the required fields, click the Login button. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, you will be prompted to enter your verification code. Retrieve the code from your authentication app or email. Input the code in the specified area. After successfully logging in, you will land on your account dashboard. To enhance your account security, navigate to the account settings. Look for the security option in the menu. Click on the security option to access additional security features. Consider enabling two-factor authentication if you haven't done so already. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up two-factor authentication. You may also want to set a withdrawal whitelist for added protection. Locate the withdrawal whitelist option and follow the prompts to add addresses. Review all security settings and adjust them according to your preferences. Always log out after your session to protect your account. You have now successfully logged into Binance US and enhanced your account security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.